Pistols are weapons that can be used with one hand and are the smallest of all firearms. It's produced for civilian use like military purposes. We analyzed the 10 best pistols in the world. Let's start. Number 10. Walther P99. Walther P99 is semi-automatic pistol made in Germany. It was produced by Walther Company in 1996. It has been preferred by many arms units of the world, especially due to its durability. It's generally preferred by the police force. 430,000 units have been produced so far. Walther P99 weighs 720 grams. It has a length of 180 millimeters. The gun's barrel length is 102 millimeters. It's 29 millimeters in width and 135 millimeters in height. It uses 9 millimeter standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 16 rounds. It has an effective range up to 50 meters. Number 9. Beretta PX4 Storm. The Beretta PX4 Storm is an Italian semi-automatic pistol. It's the newest member of the Beretta semi-automatic pistol range. It has been produced since 2004. It has a reliable and durable structure. It's used by the special forces, gendarmerie, and police agencies of many countries. Although it was produced in 2004, it has entered the inventory of at least 33 countries. The weight of the PX4 Storm is 780 grams. It has a length of 192 millimeters. Barrel length is 102 millimeters. The bullet exit velocity is 360 meters per second. It uses 9 mm standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 17 shells. It has an effective range of up to 50 meters. Number 8. HK-USP. HK-USP is a semi-automatic weapon manufactured by German Heckler & Co. It was developed in 1989 for the military and police, as well as civilians. Heckler & Co. provides a lifetime warranty on the USP. It's coated with a specially developed polish against corrosion and erosion. It is not damaged even in salt water for a long time. The weight of HK-USP is 720 grams. It has a length of 194 millimeters. Barrel length is 108 mm. The bullet exit speed is 350 meters per second. It uses 9 mm standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds. It has an effective range of up to 50 meters. Number 7. FN57. FN57 was developed by the Belgian FN company in 2000 according to the standards set by NATO. Used with 5.7 mm bullet, smaller than a standard bullet. It also has a larger shell capacity than other guns, but does not deal as much damage as 9 mm shells. It's one of the most effective pistols for use in urban areas. It's used in many military, police, and special force units around the world, including in the USA. The weight of FN57 is 618 grams. It has a length of 208 millimeters. Barrel length is 122 millimeters. Projectile exit velocity is 650 meters per second. It uses 5.7 mm bullets. Magazine capacity is 20 rounds. It has an effective range of up to 100 meters. Number 6. Smith & Wesson Military and Police. Military & Police is a semi-automatic pistol developed by Smith & Wesson Company. As the name suggests, it's made for military and police units. However, it's also available for civilians. The weight of Mediterranean Police is 680 grams. It has a length of 190 millimeters. Barrel length is 108 millimeters. The bullet exit speed is 370 meters per second. It uses 9 mm standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 17 shells. It has an effective range of up to 50 meters. Number 5. CZ-75. The CZ-75 is a weapon developed and manufactured in Czechoslovakia. It's produced entirely for export purposes. CZ-75 is appreciated by every unit in the world. It's used by army and police units for special operations. More than 1 million produced CZ-75 are still in production. CZ-75 is a reliable and comfortable to use pistol with a beautiful design. It's one of the best pistols in its class. The CZ-75 gun weighs 1000 grams. It has a length of 206 millimeters. The gun's barrel length is 120 millimeters. Projectile exit velocity is 360 meters per second. It uses with 9 mm standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 16 rounds. It has an effective range of up to 50 meters. Number 4. 6OR P226. The P226 is a semi-automatic pistol produced by 6OR following the development of the old P220. The US Department of Defense has tested many pistols for the supply of guns to military units. As a result of this test, P226, which outdrew all its opponents and reached the final, lost to Beretta 92 FS is the final. The P2026 is used by military units of more than 30 countries around the world. Production of the P226 still continues in Germany and the USA. The weight of P126 is 870 grams. It has a length of 196 millimeters. The gun's barrel length is 112 millimeters. The bullet exit speed is 350 meters per second. It uses 9 mm standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds. It has an effective range of up to 50 meters. Number 3. Beretta 92. Beretta 92 is one of the most popular pistols in the world. Production started in 1975 by Beretta. It is used in military units of more than 40 countries around the world. Beretta has developed this pistol more and more over the years and introduced new models. Beretta 92 weighs 950 grams. It has a length of 217 millimeters. Barrel length is 125 millimeters. The bullet exit speed is 309 meters per second. It uses 9 mm standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds. It has an effective range of up to 50 meters. Number 2. 6OR P320. P320, developed by 6OR in 2014, is a modular multi-barrel semi-automatic pistol. You can easily attach all tactical accessories to the P320. Outside the US Army, used by Norwegian, Danish and Thai armies. In the coming years, its use will be widespread in other countries. The weight of P320 is 833 grams. It has a length of 203 millimeters. Barrel length is 119 millimeters. Projectile exit velocity is 360 meters per second. It uses 9 mm standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 17 shells. It has an effective range of up to 50 meters. Number 1. Glock 17. Glock 17 is a pistol developed for the Austrian army. In 1980, the Austrian army wanted to replace the old Walther P38 with a more advanced pistol. The army tested various guns for handgun supply. Glock 17, which passed all tests successfully, became the new pistol of the Austrian army. Later, it was exported to many countries of the world. It has become a popular pistol with great popularity by military and police units all over the world. It's currently used by the military and police units of more than 50 countries. Glock 17 is made large of polymer and covered with stainless steel. The Glock gun barrel is claimed to fire approximately 360,000 shots. It's really impressive because other guns can fire around 40,000 times. Glock 17 weighs 710 grams. It has a length of 204 mm. The gun's barrel length is 114 mm. Projectile exit velocity is 360 meters per second. It uses 9 mm standard bullets. Magazine capacity is 17 shells. It has an effective range of up to 50 meters. We have come to the end of another video. If you enjoy, you can subscribe our channel. See you in another military video.